Hey everyone, this is Jake from Gengras Ford, and this is a 2022 Ford Transit Connect. Now, where are you going to find such a utilitarian vehicle of this size and this stature and price point? Now, it's very economical. This is paired with a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have our utilitarian front-end design. I think it looks pretty good. And you have the plastic moldings, which is way easier to clean and replace if you get damaged. We're going to come over to the side. Now, the interior, again, very utilitarian. They're going to have vinyl for the seats and the floors, which is very easy to clean. Now, if you're going to a job site, you don't want to have to worry about getting your van dirty. You could just clean this off. So this is obviously very utilitarian. There's going to be a lot of storage in here too. So in these doors, we have tons of storage. We got cup holders. We have storage in here, storage in there, storage everywhere. USB ports, there's a 12 volt, our overhead storage as well. Isn't this fantastic? Every car should have this in my opinion. But anyhow, we have our overhead storage, very cool. Now, I'm going to turn the vehicle and show you. This one has Sync 3 touchscreen, which is very nice to have in one of these. So you have your Bluetooth capabilities. You can take phone calls while you're driving and moving to the job site. And along with that, a rear view camera. That actually helps out a lot, especially when you have stuff in the back and you can't actually see through your rear view window. This actually doesn't even have a window, so the camera is going to be a huge help. So here's our screen. We're going to have our Bluetooth audio. You can connect your phone and everything. It's got AM, FM, Sirius XM. This is where you can connect your phone. All the apps that are compatible with the screen will be automatically downloaded. And again, this has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so that will be very nice to have. Coming down here, we have our climate controls. So this is going to control our fan speed, and this is our temperature. And if you want to control where the air comes out of, it's going to be these buttons right here. But it's hot out, so we're going to turn that off. Believe it or not, this has an eco mode. As if it wasn't economical enough, we have this eco mode right here, which is very cool. So we're going to move on to the back. This is where all the fun happens. The magic happens. So this is why you're buying this vehicle. I mean, I know why you're here. It has a ton of space. And what's really cool about this one is it has a vinyl floor like I was talking about and an LED light, so it could give you some extra lighting at night. These vehicles are highly configurable. You can get these in 2 available wheelbases as well as different partitions and upfitter options that are available. Please come in if you want more details on that. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Again, with the configuration, you can get this in a passenger van form. So you can have seats back here instead of just open cargo space. But most people are going to want the open cargo space. It makes sense. Economical for the size as well. It's very easy to control. And coming over to the back, this is going to open very nicely. And what's cool is it's not just going to stop here like your boring van. You can actually press this button to open it even farther. Look at that. So this will give you more clearance. And to add to the practicality, there's a 12 volt back here. And I'm standing in the back to show you proportions. So proportionally, this is actually pretty decent. I'm 5'11", and I can crouch in here very nicely. So again, this is the 2022 Ford Transit Connect. Thank you for coming in to Gengras Ford, and see you soon.